As students are generally confused about the differences between CFA and CA, we aim to clarify those differences for students in this video and summarize it all in this video to enable the students for making their decision to pursue CFA or CA qualifications. CFA qualification is offered by CFA Institute, which is a US based institute, and the CFA program is known as Chartered Financial Analyst Program. People who successfully complete CFA and who have successfully met all the criteria stated by CFA Institute are known as Chartered Financial Analysts or are known as CFA or CFA charter holders. On the other hand, CA refers to Chartered Accountancy, and people who complete CA are known as Chartered Accountants. This program is offered by ICAP in Pakistan and is offered as ACCA by UK and as CPA in US. So in different countries there are different chartered accountancy programs. Well, CFA refers to the program which is offered by CFA Institute, which is globally only offered by CFA Institute. Moving on, CFA is basically focused on financial analysis, that is understanding the financial information, analyzing it, and helping with the decision making, that is helping to make decisions with respect to finance or with respect to investments. On the other hand, CA is about accounting and bookkeeping, that is recording the transactions, recording the accounts, making the financial statements. So basically CAs make all the financial statements of the companies, and then CFA charter holders use that information or use those accounting statements to do the analysis and help the investment decision makers. So basically, if I draw a value chain, then if there is a business which is which makes or sells goods, let's say, and when it makes goods, it would be buying some material. When it buys some material, there is a transaction, and so it records it as per accounting principles. Then when it sell goods or manufacture it, then there are again further transactions, and so they record it as per accounting principles. And then when they sell goods, they again record it as per accounting principles. And once they have recorded all these transactions, then they make financial statements. So all these tasks are performed by chartered accountants, that is recording the transactions and making the financial statements. What these CFA charter holders do is, or what this CFA qualification teaches you is to analyze these financial statements and to find out whether the company is doing the right thing or not, and what should the company do, where should the company invest, where should the company not invest. So this is the difference between the job roles of these two qualifications. Moving on, CFA have 3 exams, which is level 1, level 2 and level 3. And after passing these exams, there are no further exams which you need to take. On the other hand, CA would have 10 to 30 exams depending on the different types of chartered accountancy qualifications being offered around the world and different types of qualifications being offered in different countries. CFA charter holders are required to complete 3 years of work experience. Remember, this is a full-time work experience, not just a trainee program or something. They are required to do complete 3 years of work related work experience in order to apply for CFA charter. On the other hand, for chartered accountancy, candidates are required to complete 3 to 4 years of trainee period. So the difference is that here it is a trainee period and here it is a proper work experience. CFA is generally done with undergrad, or there is a requirement to have for you to complete your undergrad to complete CFA exams. On the other hand, CA could be started post 12th grade, post your A levels, post your high school, or post your intermediate. So these are the key differences between these two qualifications with respect to the education required, with respect to the work experience required, with respect to the exams and the purpose of these two. Now moving on, CFA qualification is generally more relevant for job roles such as treasury, fund management, financial analysis, investment banking, equity research, corporate finance, transaction advisory, and those type of roles where you are required to perform financial analysis and where you are required to support investment decision making. On the other hand, CA or chartered accountancy is relevant for all the roles of accounting and bookkeeping generally in all the organizations and all the sectors. Let it be banks, let it be investment banking, let it be equity research, let it be fund management, let it be manufacturing. This is generally relevant for accounting roles in all those organizations. So for example, let's say that there is a bank. So that bank would have multiple functions. That bank would have a treasury. So for treasury, generally CFA will be a more relevant role, relevant qualification. Or let's say that within that bank there is a department which is known as relationship management. So in that, marketing will be more relevant. Marketing qualification will be more relevant. And within that bank there will be a department which will be known as financial accounting department or financial reporting department. The role of this department would be to record all the transactions and prepare financial statements, and for that chartered accountants will be more relevant. So within any institution there could be certain tasks for which CFA qualification could be more relevant, and there could be certain tasks for which CA qualification would be more relevant. But in general, these are the relevant sectors for these two qualifications. Hope this clarifies a lot of confusions that you have. If there are any further queries or guidance required, feel free to email us at askpvc@gmail.com, or if you want to prepare for CFA exams and are looking for a preparation kit, feel free to email us at askpvc@gmail.com. Thank you.